Good evening. As you settle into your comfortable sanctuary, perhaps finding that perfect spot in your bed, or maybe just taking a moment to release the tensions of the day, we invite you to embark on a journey with us. A journey that's both calming and enlightening. As you prepare for a peaceful slumber, we bring you a soothing and educational experience that's reminiscent of the bedtime stories of your childhood. Tonight, we'll explore a topic that will not only help you relax, but also enrich your mind. Before we begin, take a moment to breathe in deeply and then exhale slowly. Allow your mind to quiet and your body to relax. This is your time, a moment to unwind and embrace the serenity that nighttime brings. So, as you lay there, in the gentle embrace of your bed, with the softness of your pillow cradling your head, let's begin this tranquil journey together. You're in for a restful and enlightening experience. Imagine you're floating gently upwards, leaving the familiar landscapes of Earth behind. As you rise, you transition through the layers of our planet's atmosphere, each with its unique characteristics and vital role in shaping the weather we experience. Our journey begins in the troposphere, the lowest layer of the atmosphere. It's where all the weather as we know it happens. Here, the air is denser and filled with the swirl of weather patterns. Above it lies the stratosphere, home to the ozone layer that protects life on Earth from the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays. Further still, we reach the mesosphere, where meteors burn up, creating shooting stars, followed by the thermosphere, where the air is thin and the northern lights dance. Finally, we touch the expanse of the exosphere, the boundary between Earth's atmosphere and outer space. As we drift, it's fascinating to consider that the atmosphere is primarily composed of nitrogen, 78%, and oxygen, 21%, with traces of other gases like argon and carbon dioxide. This delicate balance is crucial for life and orchestrates the symphony of weather patterns we observe. Temperature in the atmosphere doesn't behave as one might expect. As we ascend through the troposphere, the temperature generally decreases. However, in the stratosphere, it starts to increase again, thanks to the ozone layer absorbing ultraviolet radiation. This vertical temperature profile is essential in stabilizing the atmosphere and governing weather systems. On the ground, temperature variations are influenced by factors like the angle of the sun, the time of year, and geographical elements like mountains and oceans, painting a diverse climate tapestry across our planet. In the world of weather, pressure is a leading actor. High-pressure systems, where the air is denser and sinks, often bring clear skies and calm weather. In contrast, low-pressure systems associated with rising warm air can result in cloud formation and precipitation. These systems drive the winds and are the heart of diverse weather conditions, from serene sunny days to tempestuous storms. Now, envision yourself amidst the tranquil beauty of the sky, surrounded by an ever-changing landscape of clouds. These ethereal formations are not just a feast for the eyes, but also a crucial element in the Earth's weather system. Clouds come in various shapes and sizes, each telling a different story about the weather. The fluffy cumulus clouds, often seen on clear days, resemble cotton balls. The high, wispy cirrus clouds, found at higher altitudes, signal a change in the weather. The layered stratus clouds bring gloomy, overcast skies, and the towering cumulonimbus clouds, true giants of the sky, are harbingers of thunderstorms. These cloud types and the transitions between them are like nature's own language, narrating the tale of the skies. Clouds are formed when water vapor in the air cools and condenses into water droplets or ice crystals. This usually happens when warm air rises, expands, and then cools, as it's unable to hold as much water vapor as warmer air. The specific type of cloud that forms depends on factors such as the altitude, temperature, and the amount of water vapor available. This process is a delicate dance of the elements, creating the majestic clouds that float across our skies. Clouds are more than just a scenic backdrop. They play a vital role in Earth's weather and climate. They regulate the planet's temperature by reflecting sunlight back into space and trapping heat. Clouds are also the birthplace of precipitation, as they release their stored moisture in the form of rain, snow, or other types of precipitation, nurturing the earth below. They act as Earth's natural thermostat and water carriers, maintaining the delicate balance required for life. As your mind drifts through these cloud-covered vistas, let the tranquility of their presence and the understanding of their purpose lull you into a peaceful state, ready to explore the enchanting world of precipitation next. Envision yourself nestled in a cozy, safe space, listening to the gentle patter of rain, the soft whisper of falling snow, or the distant rumble of a storm. These are the melodies of precipitation, a key element of the Earth's weather system. Rain, the most common form of precipitation, begins its journey as water vapor, which rises and cools in the atmosphere, condensing into water droplets. These droplets gather in clouds, and when they become heavy enough, they fall to the earth as rain. Rain plays a crucial role in the Earth's water cycle, nourishing plants, replenishing rivers and lakes, and providing the hydration all living beings need. The sound of rain, often soothing and rhythmic, has lulled countless souls to sleep, reminding us of nature's gentle yet persistent touch. Snow, a magical transformation of water into crystalline art, occurs when temperatures are low enough to freeze water vapor into ice crystals. These crystals form unique, six-sided structures, each a tiny masterpiece. As they fall, they blanket the earth in a serene white cover, transforming landscapes into winter wonderlands. The quietness that accompanies a snowfall, where sounds seem muted and the world feels hushed, creates an atmosphere of peace and wonder. Beyond rain and snow, the skies can also grace us with other forms of precipitation. Sleet, a mixture of rain and snow, is like nature's own alchemy. Hail, formed in strong thunderstorms, when water droplets are carried upwards by powerful winds and freeze, falls as balls of ice, a testament to the might of nature. Each form of precipitation, from the gentlest rain to the most robust hail, is part of the Earth's complex weather system, contributing to the balance and rhythm of our environment. As you drift off, let the thoughts of these diverse forms of precipitation be like a lullaby, a soothing reminder of the ever-present, life-giving cycle of water on our planet. Imagine yourself standing in an open field, feeling the gentle caress of the breeze on your face. a natural symphony that speaks in rustling leaves and whispering grasses. Wind is the breath of the planet, a force both gentle and powerful, shaping weather and landscapes. Wind is born from the differences in air pressure within the Earth's atmosphere. When there is a high-pressure area where air is denser, and a low-pressure area where air is lighter, nearby, air moves from the high-pressure to the low-pressure area, creating wind. This movement is further influenced by the Earth's rotation, which gives us the Coriolis effect, causing winds to curve as they travel across the planet. The dance between pressure and wind creates the gentle breezes that sway the trees and the fierce gales that churn the seas. To understand and describe the strength of the wind, we use the Beaufort scale, developed by Sir Francis Beaufort in the 1800s. This scale ranges from 0, calm, to 12, hurricane-force winds, providing a language to articulate the wind's intensity. It's a poetic measure where a light breeze that barely lifts a leaf is as significant as a tempest that uproots trees. The Beaufort scale helps us comprehend the invisible energy that surrounds us, from the gentlest zephyrs to the most ferocious storms. Our planet's winds are not just random breaths of air. They follow specific patterns, creating a global tapestry of movement. Trade winds, westerlies, and polar easterlies are part of this intricate system, each playing a role in Earth's climate and weather. These winds traverse thousands of miles, carrying weather systems, affecting ocean currents, and even influencing life on Earth. They are global messengers, connecting distant lands and seas, shaping weather patterns that, in turn, shape our lives. As you let your thoughts drift with the wind, feel its gentle rhythm and powerful presence. Let it soothe you into a state of calm, carrying you towards a peaceful rest, ready to explore the dramatic world of extreme weather events in the next section. Picture yourself in a cozy, secure place, observing the grandeur of nature's power from a distance. Extreme weather events, while powerful and sometimes daunting, also remind us of the incredible dynamics of our planet. Hurricanes, known as typhoons or cyclones in different parts of the world, are immense storms that form over warm ocean waters. They gather energy from the warm seas, spiraling upwards in a formidable display of nature's power. The eye of the hurricane, surprisingly, is a calm, clear area, a stark contrast to the fierce winds that swirl around it. These mighty storms can be destructive, but they also play a role in regulating Earth's temperature by distributing heat from the equator towards the poles. The life cycle of a hurricane, from its birth at sea to its eventual dissipation, is a profound reminder of the forces at play in our atmosphere. Tornadoes, though smaller in scale than hurricanes, are no less awe-inspiring. These twisting columns of air form under specific conditions, typically during severe thunderstorms. When warm, moist air collides with cold, dry air, it can create a rotating funnel cloud, reaching down from the storm to touch the earth. The power of tornadoes is immense, capable of uprooting trees and reshaping landscapes in minutes. Yet, there's a mesmerizing beauty in their fleeting, swirling existence, a dance of air and energy. Not all extreme weather events are as visually dramatic as hurricanes and tornadoes. Heat waves and cold snaps are extremes of temperature, often less visible but with profound impacts. Heat waves occur when high atmospheric pressure traps warm air in an area for an extended period. Cold snaps are the opposite, with prolonged periods of unusually cold weather. Both can significantly affect ecosystems and human activities, reminding us of the importance of balance in our climate. As you reflect on these powerful expressions of nature, let the respect and awe they inspire be a lullaby, embracing you in a sense of wonder and the safety of your surroundings. Envelop yourself in the warmth of your surroundings as we explore the fascinating evolution of weather forecasting, a testament to human curiosity and our deep connection with nature. Weather forecasting is as ancient as civilization itself. Early humans observed the sky, noting patterns and learning to predict seasonal changes. From the Babylonians who watched cloud patterns and the ancient Greeks who discerned winds and rains, to the Renaissance when meteorology began to take shape as a science, this journey has been remarkable. Each era brought new understanding, linking the behavior of the atmosphere to the rhythms of life on Earth. These early observations were the foundation of modern meteorology, a bridge between the past and the present. The development of meteorological instruments marked a leap in our ability to forecast weather. The thermometer, measuring temperature, and the barometer, gauging air pressure, were pivotal in understanding the atmosphere's dynamics. Anemometers measure wind speed, while hygrometers gauge humidity, each instrument adding a piece to the weather puzzle. These tools, though simple by today's standards, were revolutionary, providing tangible data to a previously abstract understanding of the skies. The advent of satellite technology revolutionized weather forecasting. Satellites orbiting Earth provide a global view of weather systems, tracking hurricanes, monitoring cloud patterns, and measuring temperatures. This bird's-eye perspective offers an unprecedented understanding of weather systems, leading to more accurate and timely forecasts. Today's meteorologists rely on this data, combined with sophisticated computer models, to predict weather with greater precision than ever before, safeguarding communities and helping us prepare for what the skies may hold. As you rest, let the story of weather forecasting, a blend of observation, innovation, and technology, be a testament to our enduring fascination with the skies. A journey from the simple act of looking upwards to the complex satellites circling our planet, all in pursuit of understanding the air we breathe and the weather we live in. Let your mind float like a cloud over this seamless, natural process, a serene ballet of the elements, forever in motion, forever renewing. The water cycle begins with evaporation, the transformation of water from liquid to vapor. This invisible ascent of water vapor from oceans, rivers, and lakes is a gentle, continuous whisper, a breath of the planet. As this vapor rises and cools in the atmosphere, it transforms again, this time through condensation, forming clouds. These clouds are like floating reservoirs, poised in the sky, a testament to the never-ending cycle of renewal. From these clouds, precipitation returns the water to Earth in many forms: rain, snow, sleet, or hail. This descent is a nurturing embrace, quenching the thirst of the land, filling rivers and lakes, and sustaining all forms of life. The water then collects in various bodies, oceans, rivers, underground aquifers, and the cycle begins anew. This journey of water, from the smallest droplet to the vast oceans, is a dance of transformation and sustenance, a fluid melody that sustains the symphony of life. As you immerse yourself in the thought of this elegant cycle, let it bring a sense of renewal and peace, mirroring the endless journey of water, an eternal flow that connects sky, earth, and sea. In the comfort of your resting place, let your imagination soar through the sky, witnessing the magnificent displays that the atmosphere has to offer. Rainbows, those ethereal arches of color, are a delightful interplay of light and water droplets. They occur when sunlight is refracted or bent as it enters a water droplet, then reflected inside the droplet and refracted again as it leaves. This process splits the light into its constituent colors, creating the spectrum we see as a rainbow. Each rainbow is a personal experience. It's visible only from the angle the viewer is observing, a fleeting yet enchanting interaction of light, water, and perspective. Auroras, known as the northern and southern lights, are a celestial ballet of light, a natural light show in the Earth's polar regions. These luminous displays are the result of charged particles from the sun interacting with the Earth's magnetic field and atmosphere. The particles collide with atmospheric gases, creating glowing curtains of green, pink, purple, or red. Auroras are a mesmerizing reminder of our planet's connection to the cosmos, a dance of energy and light in the night sky. Halos and sundogs are optical phenomena that create rings or bright spots around the sun or moon. They occur when light interacts with ice crystals in the atmosphere, bending and reflecting the light. Halos are complete circles of light, while sundogs are bright spots that appear to the left and right of the sun, often part of a larger halo. These phenomena add an element of wonder to our sky, a natural canvas displaying the interplay of light and ice. As these visions of atmospheric beauty drift through your mind, let them carry you into a realm of calm and wonder, a world where light and air create masterpieces in the sky. In the stillness of your surroundings, let's contemplate the subtle yet significant shifts in our planet's climate, a global tapestry being rewoven under the influence of human activity and natural forces. Climate change, driven by increased levels of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane in the atmosphere, is altering weather patterns in profound ways. We are witnessing more extreme weather events, stronger hurricanes, more intense heat waves, and unpredictable rainfall patterns. Polar ice is melting, leading to rising sea levels, while some regions experience prolonged droughts and others face increased flooding. These changes are a reminder of the delicate balance of our planet's climate system and how sensitive it is to alterations in atmospheric composition. The influence of human activities on the climate is undeniable. From burning fossil fuels for energy to deforestation and industrial processes, our actions are accelerating the changes in the climate. These activities increase the concentration of greenhouse gases, enhancing the natural greenhouse effect and leading to global warming. The interconnectedness of our actions and the climate is a profound reminder of our responsibility to the planet. Each choice we make, each action we take, has ripples that affect the global climate, impacting weather patterns and the health of our planet. As you reflect on the interplay between human activities and the weather, let it be a call to mindfulness, a reminder of our role as stewards of this earth. In the quiet of the night, consider the beauty and fragility of our world, a delicate balance of elements and forces, endlessly fascinating and infinitely precious. As you relax further, let's journey through the rich tapestry of stories, myths, and artistic expressions that have been inspired by the ever-changing skies. Throughout history, cultures across the world have personified weather in their mythology and folklore. Thunder gods like Thor in Norse mythology and Indra in Hindu mythology symbolize power and authority. Rain deities such as Tlaloc in Aztec mythology were revered for their role in agriculture and fertility. In many traditions, weather events are seen as messages from the gods, reflecting the harmony or anger of the divine. These stories and legends show how deeply weather phenomena are embedded in our collective consciousness, a reflection of our awe and respect for nature's power. Weather has also been a powerful theme in art and literature, often used to set the mood or symbolize emotional states. Think of the stormy seascapes in JMW, Turner's paintings, where the tumultuous weather reflects human emotions and struggles. In literature, weather can be a character in its own right. From the oppressive heat in Albert Camus' The Stranger, symbolizing the existential discomfort of the protagonist, to the storm in Shakespeare's King Lear, mirroring the inner turmoil of the characters. Weather in art and literature transcends mere background, becoming a canvas to explore human experience, a mirror to our inner worlds. As these cultural reflections of weather drift through your mind, let them enrich your understanding of how deeply intertwined our lives are with the rhythms of the skies. Each story, each painting, is a window into our shared human experience, a reminder of how the weather has shaped our histories, myths, and artistic expressions. As you settle comfortably, let your imagination take flight, venturing into the vastness of space to discover the weather of distant worlds. Mars, our neighboring planet, offers a starkly different weather experience. With a thin atmosphere composed mainly of carbon dioxide, Martian weather is characterized by extreme temperatures and massive dust storms that can envelop the entire planet. The temperature on Mars can plunge to minus 125 degrees Celsius in winter near the poles, while in summer it can reach as high as 20 degrees Celsius at the equator. Despite its cold, arid surface, Mars experiences cloud formation and even snowfall made of frozen carbon dioxide, a glimpse into the dynamic and alien weather systems of the red planet. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is home to one of the most spectacular weather phenomena known, the Great Red Spot. This colossal storm, larger than Earth itself, has been raging for at least 400 years, with winds reaching speeds of about 430, 680 kilometers per hour. This anticyclonic storm is a marvel of atmospheric dynamics. The Great Red Spot's distinct red color remains a subject of study, with hypotheses suggesting it may be due to the chemicals and compounds within Jupiter's atmosphere. Witnessing this immense storm from afar, we're reminded of the incredible forces at play in our solar system's atmospheres. As you contemplate the weather on these distant worlds, let it fill you with wonder at the diversity and scale of the universe. The weather patterns we know on Earth are just a small part of a vast array of atmospheric phenomena that occur across the cosmos. As you nestle into a state of relaxed awareness, let these curious and amusing weather tidbits entertain and amaze you, showcasing the quirky side of our planet's atmosphere. The world of weather holds many records that astonish and intrigue. For instance, the highest temperature ever recorded on Earth was 56.7 degrees Celsius, 134 degrees Fahrenheit, in Death Valley, California, in 1913. On the other end of the spectrum, the coldest temperature was minus 89.2 degrees Celsius, minus 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit, at Vostok Station, Antarctica, in 1983. Weather extremes remind us of the vast range of climates our planet can experience, from scorching heat to bone-chilling cold. Weather can also be a stage for some truly peculiar phenomena. Have you heard of blood rain? This rare event occurs when red dust from deserts is swept up and mixed with rain, causing it to appear red as it falls. Or consider Catatumbo lightning in Venezuela, where lightning storms occur for up to 10 hours a night on many nights a year, creating one of the planet's most continuous and spectacular lightning displays. These oddities in weather challenge our understanding of normal and invite us to marvel at the planet's capacity for wonder. As these fun and fascinating facts about weather dance in your mind, let them bring a sense of awe and playfulness. The weather, in all its forms, is a reminder of the ever-changing, ever-surprising nature of our world, a continuous display of Earth's vibrant character.